Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at our 2-hole Chinese wok. Okay, so this is going to be a 2-hole Chinese wok. Size for each hole, you're looking at 13 inches. Okay, size for each hole. Now it is an all stainless steel unit, very well built unit. Brand on the unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot, as you can see on the front. Also in the front, you can locate the certification. This Chinese wok is going to be certified by the health department. Also on the front, we have our knee operated levers for the fire to add or lower that fire. You also have a waste tray in the middle here, dust tray on the bottom as well. For this unit has an automatic faucet system. You have a faucet right here. You got a waterfall. If we open up this top lid, you'll be able to see waterfall system as well. Now if you follow me over to the back, you can locate your water connector for that waterfall, and we got our gas connector. Okay, this unit runs on natural gas. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give you the overall measurements before we go. Now measurement for the length, you're looking at 47 inches. Measurement for the depth, you're looking at 40 inches. Overall height, you're looking at 63 inches high. Okay, so this is going to be a 2-hole Chinese wok. Ring size 13 inch. You can see your burners on the inside as well. And we have a double layer. Okay, so this is double layer for this unit. We added a double layer with insulation. Let's say this part gets too hot, that's why we add that insulation right there, a double layer. Okay, so you'll be provided with that. Okay, this is 2-hole Chinese wok, 13-inch ring size. If you're interested in one of these Chinese woks, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.